Hello, this is Mr. Christopher and his Divine Ladies. My name is Elizabeth Cobb.com, producer of the show. Mr. Christopher, could you please introduce our second show?
Hello everybody again, and this is Mr. Christopher, and these are my Divine Ladies, Susan and Tina over here. And we are excited to be with you again today. We're just going to tell you today briefly a little bit more about what we do, who we are, and how we can help you with problems, questions about the home mortgage industry today. And again, my name is Mr. Christopher. I work for a title company, and we do title for Reliable Title. It's a company, and we're helping all of our customers work through fine companies like Divinity Lending, which Tina and Susan work for, and helping them work out the loans, and we help as a third party in the closings, the title insurance, and all that, the back end. So we're there to help the clients understand try to make sense of everything else that they've been explained, make sure that there's any questions that they're answered. Just kind of a third party to be there to help you feel comfortable when you're closing, and that's our job, is make sure you're comfortable, that you understand what you're doing, what all the fees are, what all the documents are you're signing, and that everything goes smoothly, and that if there is problems, that we're there to be the problem solvers. So that's what we do, and I'm going to let my two Divine Ladies tell you more about their exciting role.
Hi, Susan.
Hi, Elizabeth. How are you?
Great.
Well, I would like to focus today about the first-time homebuyer's tax credit and the second-time homebuyer's tax credit. You have to have a purchase contract by April the 30th and close and fund by June 1st to be on the safe side. To get the first-time homebuyer's tax credit, obviously you cannot own a home, but to get the second-time tax credit, you have to be in your home for 5 years. So just remember to go out there and get those purchase contracts signed before April the 30th.
Thank you, Susan.
You're welcome.
Hi, Tina Reed. How are you? Who are you?
I'm the owner of Divinity Lending, and we do residential mortgage loans for first-time home buyers, repeat. We have programs where we can help people if they have credit issues. Our credit bureaus will actually tell us what we need to help try to increase your credit score so that you might be able to purchase at this time. Again, with the tax credit coming, you want to try to get your contract written, and so we can get you closed before you lose the $8,000 or the $6,500 tax credit. We do reverse mortgages, so if you have anybody who is 62 years or older, who maybe is in some kind of financial situation, maybe needs additional income coming in, we can do reverse mortgages and help them be able to save their homes. So again, think of us for all your mortgage needs, and then when we get ready to close the loan, we contact Mr. Christopher. He in turn gives us all the fees so that when we do sit down and meet with you, you know all the ins and outs of the mortgage industry, as well as what you will have to pay for. With the new GFE, or good faith estimate, it's all lumping sums together. Therefore, we like to explain to you exactly what all these fees that are being lumped together stand for, so that you can make the right decision for the right mortgage.
Tina, as producer, I received a question this week from Charlotte, North Carolina. The question was, they purchased their first home. Do they receive the $8,000 in check, or do they receive that at closing? That was the question.
After they close, they have to go and file an amendment to the taxes if they've already filed. If they haven't filed yet, they can actually file it with their taxes right now. But if they've already gotten their IRS refund, they have to go back and amend the tax report to show that they have purchased a home, and then the IRS will mail them the check.
Please give us your email address, so if they have any questions, they can email you directly regarding that.
My email address is tina@divinitygroup.com. That's DIVINITY group.com, and Susan's is susan@divinitygroup.com.
Christopher, please share with the group teachingempowerment.com. That's something on Tuesday nights that people, and they can email you in regards to that. So something that's really important.
Absolutely. I'm also, along with working with many lenders, I also do a training on how to do Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many, many other things that we'll be talking about online, and that's through a company we own called Teaching Empowerment, so teachingempowerment.com. And if you go to any of our blogs or any of our websites, you'll be able to get to that and log in and Lincoln to be able to go to that show. And
You're a LinkedIn guru, so should they connect with you on LinkedIn?
absolutely.
What is your email address so they can?
My email address is my first name is James Christopher, so just J Christopher Johnson at msn.com. So
Thank
very
you.
simple. And I just want to add one more thing to what Susan or Tina was saying about the new good faiths and stuff. A lot of people don't know, along with all this other tax credits and all these things we're talking about, the government is always changing things, and one of the things they've changed is all of the way things are disclosed to the borrower, how all that is read, and so all our lenders out there have a new challenge with that, and which it proposes a challenge for us as a title company to again make sure we go through and explain all those to you. So that's one of our specialties, is making sure that when you come to closing that you understand all those documents. So Tina explained that very well, but that's just another thing that people don't understand, all the changes that are going on in the lending industry right now. And they think that there's a lot of money available, and there is, but there's a lot of also new regulations and questions and problems that we're here to make you feel comfortable with and solve those problems, so that they're not problems, they're just little bumps in the road that we help you understand and explain, so you feel very, very comfortable when you buy your new home, or your new home. So your new home. And so that's all, and we are super excited. We'll be here with you every single week, and we want to bring you value every week. So these are some things that we'll